Hey everyone, this week is our turn to do the presentation. But first, let me introduce you the group member. First, we have me, Purnama. Second, we have Yuda. Third, we have Tasya. Fourth, we have Walwa. And last one, we have Ibnu. Today's discussion is about superlative and comparative. Okay, now let's open the book, chapter 71. Nah, first, comparative. We use comparative to compare two things or two people or two groups. For example, he is younger than me, he is older than me, and etc. But if there are three things or more, we use superlative. For example, there is the biggest building in the city. She is the tallest girl in the class, and etc. The comparative is often followed by then. For example, she is younger than me, she is older than me, and etc. We form the comparative by adding er at the end of adjective. For example, young, we form it younger, you adding er at the end. And we form superlative by adding est s at the end of adjective. For example, young, you're adding es, so he is youngest, and etc. But also, we can form comparative and superlative by adding more before the adjective and adding most for the superlative. For example, more active, more modern, most active, and most modern.
Next is long adjective. We usually form the comparative and superlative of long adjective with more and the most. Di sini maksudnya jika ada kata sifat yang panjang, kata sifat panjang itu kata sifat yang terdiri dari 3 subkata atau lebih. Itu kita bisa menambahkan with more atau the most. Sebagai contohnya seperti interested. Itu menjadi more interested atau the most interested. Lalu expensive menjadi more expensive dan the most expensive. Lalu ada popular menjadi more popular and the most popular. Lalu with adjective that have a negative form beginning with on, we can form the comparative and superlative using either as, or more, or the most. Sebagai di sini maksudnya jika ada kata sifat yang bersifat negatif yang ada un-unnya di depannya, itu kita bisa menambahkan dengan as, more atau the most. Sebagai contohnya seperti untidy, itu menjadi untidier atau more untidy, the untidiest atau most untidy. Lalu ada unhappy menjadi unhappier atau more unhappy, the unhappiest atau the most unhappy. Lalu ada unhealthy, di sini menjadi unhealthier atau more unhealthy. Lalu ada the unhealthiest atau the most unhealthy. Next, irregular comparative and superlative. A few adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative form. Di sini maksudnya kata sifat itu bisa diganti dengan kata sifat yang lain dalam bentuk komparatif maupun superlatif. Seperti good, good itu komparatifnya ada better, dan di superlatif ada the best, dan juga ada bad itu worse dan the worst, old, older or elder, dan the oldest or the eldest. Lalu ada juga far, the farther atau further, dan the farthest atau the furthest. We use elder, the eldest, only when we talk about member of a family. Less like my elder brother, my eldest sister. We don't use elder plus then, we can say he's elder than his brother. And then farther and further refer to distance. Further can also mean additional. And next, the comparison of adverb. We form the comparative and superlative of most adverb with more and the most. Kita bisa menggunakan more and the most pada kata sifat yang paling. Contohnya casually menjadi more casually atau the most casually. Example, drum student usually dress the most casually. There are some irregular adverb like well menjadi better atau the best, badly menjadi worse atau the worst, far menjadi farther, further or the farthest. They often travel further for their job. And the last is we form the comparative and superlative of irregular adverb fast, soon, high, near, long, late, early with or an s. Example, science student usually work longer than art student. Science graduates generally get jobs sooner than humanities graduates.
Next, Unit 72 about comparative and superlative part 2. Step 1, S, blah 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 S, or not S, blah 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 S, plus the same as. We use S, blah 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 S to say that two things are the same or similar. Jadi hal yang sama itu pakai S, blah 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 S. Example, going by train is just as comfortable as going by plane. And then we use not as, blah 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 S to say that two things are different. Hal yang berbeda itu pakai not as, blah 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 S. Jadi, example, a train ticket doesn't cost as much as a plane ticket. Because a plane ticket costs more than a train ticket. And then we can use twice, 3 times etc to show the different purposes usually. Example, the plane is twice as fast as the train. And then we use the same or not the same as to say two things are or are not the same. Example, the plane costs about the same as the ferry. Terus, the plane doesn't have the same facilities as the ferry. Step 2, double comparative, bigger and bigger. If something is increasing, we can use a comparative plus and plus a comparative. Example, more and more people travel from England. The ferries are getting bigger and bigger. They are becoming more and more luxurious.
I will explain the bigger, the better, comparative, and superlative. That the emphasis is only on adjective. Example, the bigger the ferries, the more comfortable they are. In this case, only focus on adjective, and it explain if using one or two syllables. Use or are. Example of big into bigger, and if more, then use more. Example of the more quickly. And I will explain more the most, less the least, each. It was explained in this case that discussion more to comparative and superlative and focus to only noun. Example, the ferry is less expensive than the train. And in here, focus to comparison about noun, which is less, least, more, most, each. One more example, the ferry can carry more passengers than the plane. I will explain deeply about comparative and superlative. Example about superlative and description. The ferry is least expensive way to cross the channel. This sentence includes the superlative text because superlative is the word superlative is used to description an object that has a top or bottom level, and superlative are used in phrases where a subject is compared to a bunch or object, the tallest, the smallest, the fastest, and the highest. Example about comparative and description, the ferry takes less ferry than the Eurostar. The sentence includes two comparative texts because a comparative adjective is used to compare the difference between two items modified by the adjective large, small, faster, higher, edge. Formula comparative text, noun subject plus verb plus adjective comparative plus then plus noun object. Formula superlative text, noun subject plus verb plus the plus adjective superlative plus noun object.
Step 4. Slightly, a bit, much, a lot, it's plus a comparative. We can use slightly, a bit, a little, much, for a lot before a comparative to say have a different thing of people are, and use slightly, cheaper, and slightly, a bit, little have approximate the same meaning. Our new ferries are now far more luxurious. Much for a lot have approximate the same meaning. Step 6. The superlative plus in or of or plus a relative clause. After superlative, we can use pairs with in or of. We use in with the names of, place, and will, what, class, school, team, family, flight, age. The longest railway funnel in Europe. The most relaxing ferry in the fleet. The most exciting of all the channel crossing. We can also use a relative clause. The smooth channel crossing that you'll ever have. The best decision that you've ever made.